Hello friends, welcome in the chapter aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. We are learning about the chemical properties, that is reactions of carboxylic acid. So our today's reaction is reduction of carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid undergoes reduction reaction. So how the carboxylic acid undergoes reduction? What happens when carboxylic acid undergoes reduction? How they undergo reduction? We are going to explain all this reaction. So carboxylic acid is reduced by reducing agent. Carboxylic acid undergoes reduction. Reduction, we know that the reaction in which addition of hydrogen atom takes place. That reaction called reduction. Here carboxylic acid undergoes reduction. The addition of hydrogen atoms takes place in the structure of carboxylic acid. But we know that for each and every reduction reaction we require reducing agent. So carboxylic acid reduces by using reducing agent either LiAlH4, LiAlH4, that is lithium, Li for lithium, Al for aluminium, lithium, aluminium, H4, that represent hydride. The complete name of LiAlH4, lithium aluminum hydride, which is a strong reducing agent that reduces in the reduction reaction. Therefore, for carboxylic acid, either LiAlH4, lithium aluminum hydride, that is used in solvent ether. If LiAlH4 is used in the reduction, then the solvent used as ether. Or another option, or for option of LiAlH4, reduction of carboxylic acid, the second reducing agent, second option we can use, that is B2S6. B2S6, that is diborane, which is also a good reducing agent. So what happens when carboxylic acid reduces? When carboxylic acid undergoes reduction, it is reduces either by taking lithium aluminum hydride in the solvent ether, or by using B2S6 diborane followed by hydrolysis, that carboxylic acid converted to primary alcohol. Here, the conversion of carboxylic acid that is takes place by in the form of the primary alcohol. So look toward the general reaction. How the primary alcohol obtained by the reduction of carboxylic acid. So therefore, general reaction RCOOH. That RCOOH we can write as RC double bond O single bond OH. When carboxylic acid that is reacted with LiAlH4 in the solvent ether. This is our reducing agent. Now option we know that for LiAlH4 we can use B2S6, that is diborane, B2S6 diborane, followed by the hydrolysis, that is S3O plus. S3O plus it means when acid added in water, H plus plus H2, that is called S3O plus. So that is used in the step of hydrolysis. So here, first step of this reaction, either using LiAlH4 in ether or either using diborane, and secondly the addition of S3O plus, that is acidic water for hydrolysis. So what happens when carboxylic acid that is reacted with LiAlH4 in the solvent ether, or it is reacted with diborane followed by the process of hydrolysis. So here we know that each and every reducing agent produces nascent hydrogen. Here the 4 hydrogen atom produces by this reducing agent, either LiNH4 or B2S6. Both are the strong reducing agent. So in this reaction, 4 hydrogen atom that added in the carboxylic acid. So what happened? Here breaking of this double bond, this double bond oxygen get removed from that carbon. Out of 4 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen atom added to this carbon. Here is 4 hydrogen atom. 2 added to the carbon. Carbon undergoes breaking of that double bond with oxygen. Oxygen gets separated from the carboxylic acid. That carbon gets 2 hydrogen, therefore R single bond. That carbon gains 2 hydrogen from that 4. Therefore, carbon gains 2 hydrogen, carbon converted to CH2. Now here single bond OH. So we obtain RCH2OH. We know that the organic compound that contains CH2OH group, that is primary alcohol. So here we obtain primary alcohol as product of reaction. What remains? That oxygen and remaining 2 hydrogen combines to form water. Now that about the complete general reaction. So we can explain as when carboxylic acid reacted with lithium aluminum hydride in the solvent ether, or it is reduced by using diureane followed by the process of hydrolysis. Here we obtain primary alcohol, that is the reduction of carboxylic acid. Now we are going to discuss the example of that process. If we take CH3COOH, how the acetic acid, or we know that ethanoic acid, acetic acid or ethanoic in IUPAC system, when reacted with LiAlH4 in the solvent ether, or we can use B2S6, that is our first condition, and second condition, either by using B2S6 and second condition followed by the S3O plus, that is hydrolysis, acidic water, H plus NH2. So here we know that 4 nascent hydrogen produces in the reaction from the reducing agent. That oxygen eliminated from that carbon, this carbon gives 2 hydrogen from the 4 hydrogen atom. So here we obtain CH3, that carbon is 2 hydrogen, therefore it is converted to CH2, single bond OH. This is the formula for ethyl alcohol. We obtain ethyl alcohol is our first product. Remaining oxygen plus 2 hydrogen, H2. In this way, acetic acid can be converted to ethyl alcohol. So question can be asked as how to convert acetic acid into ethyl alcohol. Then write this reaction. So when acetic acid reacted with reducing agent lithium aluminum hydride in the presence of solvent ether, or by using diureane, and the second step that followed by the hydrolysis, here we obtain ethyl alcohol. Now second example, after the acetic acid. Now the second example, after acetic acid, if we take benzoic acid, that is benzene with COOH, and that is also reduces by same reducing agent LiAlH4 in the solvent ether, or by using B2S6, that is first condition, and second condition followed by the addition of S3O plus. So here 4 nascent hydrogen get added in this reaction also. That oxygen get removed from that carbon. Out of 4, 2 hydrogen atom get added to the carbon. Here we obtain benzene. That carbon gives 2 hydrogen, therefore it is CH2. That oxygen get eliminated because this is the C double bond O oxygen. Now here it remains OH. We obtain the structure benzene attached with CH2OH. We know that this is the benzyl alcohol in common nature. Benzyl alcohol. Or we know that IUPAC phenyl methanol. IUPAC name of the substances. Benzyl alcohol also called as phenyl methanol because CH2OH from methyl alcohol. That is called methanol in IUPAC system. So hydrogen atom of methanol is replaced by phenyl group. So therefore it is called phenyl methanol. What remains again? H2O. Now that about the complete reduction of carboxylic acid into primary alcohol. Remember the important reaction. Now after this reaction, the reactions of aliphatic carboxylic acid that is completed. Only some of the ring substitution reactions of carboxylic acid, especially for aromatic acid, that is benzoic acid, is remaining. We are going to discuss after this reaction the ring substitution reaction of benzoic acid. So our next reaction type, that is ring substitution reactions of benzoic acid, because we know that benzoic acid contains benzene ring. Therefore, benzene ring contains hydrogen atom. When this hydrogen atom of benzene replaced by other groups of reagent like that of nitro or halogens, therefore that reaction called ring substitution. When the hydrogen atom of the benzene ring of benzoic acid when replaced by other groups like that of nitro or halogens, so that type of reaction called ring substitution. Benzoic acid undergoes ring substitution because benzoic acid contains benzene. So the first ring substitution of benzoic acid is nitration reaction. Nitration reaction of benzoic acid. So we know that nitration, it means the reaction in which introduction of nitro group, that is NO2 group, takes place. Which group introduces in the reaction? NO2, that is nitro. So that reaction is nitration. When benzoic acid undergoes nitration, it means they undergoes introduction of nitro group in their structure. So how the benzoic acid undergoes nitration reaction? So benzoic acid, benzene with COOH, when reacted with nitrating mixture, when benzoic acid reacted with nitrating mixture, that is mixture of nitrating mixture called mixture of nitric acid and sulfuric acid. In this reaction, nitric acid, that is HNO3, we can write as HONO2, HNO3, the formula is HNO3, we can write as HONO2. This is nitric acid. So when benzoic acid reacted with nitric acid or in the presence of solvent, that is concentrated H2SO4, this is nitric acid also concentrated. So what about the reaction? When benzoic acid reacted with nitrating mixture, if we use the word nitrating mixture, so we want to be describe which is the nitrating mixture. Nitrating mixture, it is a mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. Or we can again explain as when benzoic acid reacted with nitric acid in the presence of concentrated H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid, then benzoic acid undergoes nitration, because this nitro group replaces the hydrogen atom of the benzene ring. This nitro group replaces the hydrogen atom of this benzene ring. When we write this formula as, So we can easy to understand. We can write benzoic acid in this way also. We know that this benzene ring contain hydrogen atom is here, here also, here also, here also, here also. This hydrogen atom of benzene under the substitution reaction. So this nitro group replace the hydrogen atom of benzene. But which hydrogen atom undergoes replacement? Because COOH group, that COOH group of benzoic acid is meta directing group. Meta directing group. It means any group when added in the structure of benzoic acid, that group add to prefer the meta position. So we know that this is the meta position, and meta position also contain hydrogen atom, one hydrogen. Because of COOH meta directing group, it means COOH prefer to add the incoming group to the meta position other than ortho and para. COOH group is due to meta directing group. The reagent group added to only a meta position. We know that this is ortho, this is meta, and this is para. So due to COOH meta directing group, NO2 group from nitric acid that replace the hydrogen atom of meta position. So here we obtain due to replacement of this only hydrogen, NO2 get attached to this carbon. So the compound obtained, only one compound obtained. What happened in the reaction when benzoic acid reacted with concentrated nitric acid in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, or we can use the word nitrating mixture. So due to COOH is meta directing group, the NO2 group of nitric acid replace the hydrogen atom from the meta position of benzene ring. Therefore, nitro group added to the meta position. So here we obtain meta NO2 for nitro, meta nitro, and remaining structure of benzoic acid. Meta nitro benzoic acid in common name system in IUPAC, that is 1, 2, 3, 3 nitro benzoic acid in IUPAC system. So we obtain here complete meta product, not ortho or para, because COOH is only meta directing group that prefers to add another incoming group to the only meta position, not to ortho or para. What is remains? That OH and that H combines to form water. So in this way, benzoic acid under the nitration, it is converted into meta-nitrobenzoic acid, or also called as 3-nitrobenzoic acid in IUPAC system. That about the nitration. Now we are going to discuss the second ring substitution, that is bromination. Bromination reaction. Bromination reaction of benzoic acid. So we know that in bromination, bromine atom that introduced in the reaction. So here the replacement of hydrogen atom of benzene ring by Br group. Br group means bromine. So the reaction in which the replacement of hydrogen atom of benzene by bromine, that reaction called bromination. Similar, the reaction in which hydrogen atom of benzene is replaced by nitro group, that is nitration. Here hydrogen atom of the benzene ring of benzoic acid is replaced by bromine. Therefore it is called bromination reaction. So what happened in bromination? When benzene contains COOH, we know that this is the benzoic acid. So when benzoic acid reacted with bromine, because for bromination we require bromine. Bromine in liquid state. Bromine exists as liquid. So when benzoic acid reacted with bromine liquid in presence of catalyst FeBr3, that is ferric bromide. What is the name of FeBr3? Ferric bromide, which is used as catalyst for the bromination. So in this reaction, again COOH is beta-directing group. So incoming group always attached to the beta position. So therefore, this hydrogen atom of this beta carbon, beta position replaced by this bromine atom, one bromine atom. So therefore, we obtain here that remains same, but in place of this hydrogen atom, one bromine atom get added in the structure of benzoic acid. Therefore, we obtain the name of this product beta. Beta position contain bromine, beta bromo. Remaining is benzoic acid, beta bromo, benzoic acid, or in IUPAC system it is called 3-bromo benzoic acid. Remaining again H and remaining Br, HBr, hydrogen bromide. Now that about the bromination, the question can be asked as how the benzoic acid can undergo bromination, or what happens when benzoic acid undergoes bromination. When benzoic acid reacted with bromine liquid in presence of catalyst ferric bromide, reaction to beta bromo benzoic acid, that about the bromination of benzoic acid. These two ring substitution, remember, for the benzoic acid. Now here, after this topic, after this reaction, we are completed the chapter aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. We will discuss the next chapter in the next video.